Before bed, I rub this on my feet, and that's exactly why I get better results than after any pedicure appointment. Grab a bowl and add half a cup of Epsom salt. It's great for relaxing, helps ease that tired feeling, and softens the skin. Pour in about 1.5 liters of water, preferably hot. Mix everything well and let it cool slightly. Now take a bowl, ideally a plastic one. Get some bentonite clay. It helps draw impurities out of the skin, cleans deeply, and leaves your feet smooth even after the first use. Add 2 tablespoons of clay to the bowl. Next, grab apple cider vinegar. It helps refresh your feet and reduces unpleasant odor. It also softens the skin and improves the way it looks. Add 1 tablespoon and mix everything into a thick paste. If it's too thick, add a little more vinegar. The texture should be fairly firm. Now apply the mixture to your feet like a mask and leave it on for about 10 minutes so it can start working. Then soak your feet in the prepared Epsom salt bath and keep them there for about 20 minutes. This is the perfect at-home detox mask for your feet. Your skin will feel noticeably smoother, softer, and cleaner, and your feet will truly thank you with a better look and a lighter feeling.
If you cross your arms this way and lean forward slightly, you will stretch your upper back and feel a clear release in that area. Next, grab the door frame. With your arms crossed, lower your head and gently lean back, allowing the middle part of your back to stretch freely. This helps reduce tension and improves ease of movement. Finally, place a pillow under your pelvis and lie face down on a chair or bed. This takes pressure off your lower back and allows it to relax naturally. Do these exercises regularly.
Do these exercises using only your feet. I even do them in the bathtub. The first exercise is rotating both feet in one direction and then in the other, 18 times each way. The second exercise is done 36 times. Rub one heel against the other. The third exercise is also repeated 36 times by moving your feet forward and backward. Next, work only with your toes, sliding them forward and backward, again 36 times. Make sure to repeat each movement carefully. Then rub one foot against the other, also 36 times. After that, gently tap one foot against the other for the same number of repetitions. The last exercise is using the big toe of one foot to rub the area on the other foot, right under and next to the big toe. Each of these movements improves circulation, strengthens the small muscles in your feet, and releases tension that often makes walking uncomfortable. With regular practice, your foot joints become more flexible and the whole foot works more efficiently. It's a routine you can do literally anywhere, even while taking a bath.